Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix cannot type at the rate of on German keyboard. So how can type this and fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this that go to your time and language, go to your language and region. After that go to your on the keyboard's preferences languages, click on right click and go to your language options. After that now you can see that a US keyboard install. Click on add a keyboard and find out a German keyboard. Scroll down and find out. No, here is a German keyboard. So click on add it. After adding that, remove other keyboards. After installing that, close it. And after that, go to your open a notepad. And after that, go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your accessibility. Scroll down and click on a keyboard and turn on screen keyboard. After that, for this type up, sorry, select a language is English, German, and after that press the Alt and Q button. Now you can see that Alt and Q button. Now close it and close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.